Retirement should be about peace of mind, not financial worries. Imagine a world where you never run out of income and receive a guaranteed pension for life. LIC presents the Smart Pension Plan, plan number 879, a plan designed to secure your future with multiple annuity options tailored to your needs. Launched on 18th February 2025, LIC's Smart Pension Plan is a non-linked, non-participating, immediate annuity plan that provides guaranteed income for life. Anyone between 18 and 85 years can invest in this plan with a minimum purchase price of 1 lakh rupees and no upper limit. However, Option F is available up to age 100. Options E1 and E2 are available up to age 65. Options E3, E4 and E5 are available up to age 70. All remaining options are available up to age 85. Are there any cases where the 1 lakh rupees minimum purchase price doesn't apply? Yes. Let's look at the special exceptions where this rule does not apply. Divyangajan Life's minimum purchase price 50,000 rupees. No minimum annuity restrictions. NPS subscribers as per PFRDA rules. Minimum purchase price 50,000 rupees. Choosing the right annuity option is crucial for securing your financial future. Let's break down the available choices so you can decide what works best for you. Option A, Life Annuity. Options B1, B4, guaranteed income for 5, 10, 15 or 20 years, then life. Option C1, C2, increasing annuity, 3% or 6%. Option D, Life Annuity plus return of balance purchase price. Option E1, E5, partial return of purchase price at specific ages. E1, E2, age 75. E3, E4, age 80. E5, 5% return from 76 to 95 years. Option F, Life Annuity plus full return of purchase price. LIC's Smart Pension Plan offers multiple ways to receive the death benefit, ensuring financial security for your loved ones. Lump sum payment. One-time payout to the nominee. Annuitization of death benefit used to purchase an immediate annuity, 2.50% incentive on tabular annuity rates. Installment option. Death benefit paid over 5, 10, or 15 years. Need financial flexibility? LIC's liquidity option under annuity options F and J allows a lump sum withdrawal. Available after 5 years. Access funds when needed. Can be exercised up to 3 times for added flexibility. Withdraw up to 60% of the purchase price in total. Revised annuity must meet IRDAI limits to ensure compliance. This feature gives you greater control over your annuity while maintaining a steady income. Under option J, the surviving annuitant can withdraw up to 5 years annuity as a lump sum if the first annuitant passes away. Available on the first death of the joint life annuitants. Can withdraw 1% to 100% of 5 years annuities. Option valid for 1 year after first death. Want to defer your annuity payments? LIC's annuity accumulation option lets you delay and accumulate annuities for 5 years at an applicable rate. Applies to all annuity options. Can be exercised up to 3 times. Accumulated annuities paid at the end of 5 years. LIC's Smart Pension Plan also supports NPS subscribers and dependent persons with disabilities, Divyangjan. NPS subscribers annuity options as per PFRDA rules. Divyangjan beneficiaries return of purchase price annuity for dependents. Planning to transfer your UK pension assets? LIC's Smart Pension Plan is available as a qualifying recognized overseas pension scheme QROPS. Transfers UK tax relief assets. Approval required by HMRC. Subject to QROPS conditions. What even better returns? LIC rewards those who invest in higher purchase prices with extra annuity benefits. Higher purchase price is equal to extra annuity benefits. Higher purchase price is equal to more benefits. Invest smart for a better retirement. LIC's Smart Pension Plan 879 is designed to give you the security and peace of mind you deserve in retirement. Guaranteed lifetime income. Flexible annuity options for different needs. Benefits for NPS subscribers and Divyangjan lives. Special incentives for higher purchase price. Don't wait. Secure your retirement today and enjoy a worry-free future with LIC's trusted pension solutions. Found this video helpful? Hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Insurance Funda for more expert insurance insights.